Are we one step closer to people being completely unnecessary? This AI-powered robot is able to fix other robots without people. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com and sign up for my newsletter when you're there. A research team at Stanford University picked out the most skilled, elaborate tasks they could think of and programmed their robots to be able to understand and complete each of them one by one. Now, each of these tasks worked, and in this continuous shot video, you can see these autonomous robots slotting in a replacement gripper finger on another robot, getting a shirt on a hanger and putting it on a rack, and then tying a shoelace. This project's ongoing, but if you want to be able to manipulate your own robot, the research kit is available from Knutsson Robotics for just 30 grand. More crazy cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? All you have to do is open a browser, type cyberguy.com, and click the little red button.